So this technology we're talking about is called generative AI. And honestly, it's a complete game changer. This isn't an AI that just finds information that already exists. No, it creates something brand new. This is a massive, fundamental shift in how we think about and use technology.
Here's a great way to think about it. You've got traditional AI, which is kind of like a librarian, super good at finding books, organizing information that's already there. But generative AI, that's the author. It doesn't just find the books, it reads the entire library and then sits down and writes a completely new book from scratch. And this stuff is evolving at an absolutely insane speed. I mean, we went from these simple little chatbots to AI that can remember what you talked about yesterday, pull up live stock prices, and now it can literally use other apps for you. It can book your flight or manage your calendar. This isn't just a search engine anymore. It's becoming a true digital assistant.
Okay, but all that power is pretty useless if you don't know how to tap into it, right? And that brings us right to the heart of the problem, and to the single most important secret that is going to completely change how you use AI, forever.
So what is it? What's the secret to getting those incredible results we're all looking for, instead of those frustrating, garbage ones? How do we bridge that gap?
It all comes down to one simple, timeless idea that's been around in computing forever, and it's this: garbage in, garbage out. It's that simple. The quality of what you get out is a direct reflection of the quality of what you put in.
Yeah, they call it GIGO, G-I-G-O, and it's a fundamental rule of how this all works. If you give it vague, lazy, low-quality instructions, you are guaranteed to get a low-quality garbage response back. To unlock its real power, you have to give it quality input.
And the difference is it's night and day. Look at this, asking, "Tell me about AI." I mean, that's a classic garbage in prompt. It's way too broad. But look at the other one. Explain AI basics in simple terms for a beginner with no tech background. See that? That's quality. It gives context, it defines who you're talking to, it sets a clear goal. The answers you get from those two prompts, not even in the same universe.
Okay, so that's the principle. But how do we actually do it? Let's get practical. In this next part, I'm going to give you some super powerful copy-pastable templates that'll take you from just being a user to being a director. You'll be telling the AI exactly what you need.
First up, let's make the AI your own personal tutor. And you can literally just copy and paste this prompt. The magic is all in the structure, see? First, you give it a role. You are a teacher. Then you define the audience for a beginner. And finally, you state the goal. Explain this topic using simple analogies. You can swap out the topic for anything. I mean literally anything, from quantum physics to how to make sourdough bread. And boom, you've got an expert teacher.
All right, next, let's turn this thing into a productivity machine. We've all been there, right? You're staring at a blank screen, needing to write a really tricky email to a client. Instead of stressing out, just give the AI the key details. What's the tone? Who's it for? What's the purpose? And what's your goal? The AI will just write it for you. A perfectly crafted email that saves you a ton of time and stress.
Okay, so you've got a personal tutor, you've got a productivity machine. That's pretty cool. But what if I told you there was a way to unlock any of its capabilities for any task you can think of? Well, this final technique, this is the master key. This is the big one.
This is where things get a little bit meta and really, really cool. The single most powerful way to use AI is to get the AI to teach you how to use it better. Instead of you trying to be the expert prompt writer, you're going to make the AI do the hard work for you.
And this right here is called the meta prompt. It looks so simple, but it is unbelievably powerful. It's like a cheat code. You just tell the AI, you are an AI expert, and then you describe what you want to do in just plain, simple English. And what it does is it writes the perfect expert-level prompt for you.
The process is it's so easy. Step 1, just figure out what you want to do. Let's say, create a 30-day workout plan. Step 2, you plug that goal right into the meta prompt template. And step 3, you just copy the amazing expert-level prompt the AI gives you back and use that instead. You're basically getting the AI to do all the heavy lifting for you. It's awesome. And this kind of gets to the real heart of it all. Learning how to talk to an AI, how to give it better instructions, it's not just a tech skill. It's actually a way to get better at clarifying your own thinking.
Because really, this whole process teaches you a fundamental life skill that goes way beyond technology. And that is, to get a really good answer, you first have to learn how to ask a really good question. And now, you have the key to doing just that.
So, you've got the tools. You know the secrets. The only question left is, what better? clearer, more powerful questions are you going to start asking? If you really want to take these skills and just level up fast, we've put together an AI bootcamp. The link for that is right down in the description. Go check it out. Thanks for being here.